Today, we're diving into a full review of Dubbify AI. Is it really worth your time and money, or is it just another overhyped AI tool? I've tested it out, dug into the features, pros and cons, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly if this is the right choice for you. So make sure to stick around, you don't want to miss this one. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest reviews just like this.
Plus, access our private marketplace that allows you to offer your Dubbify AI services to thousands of buyers, and keep 100% of the profit. Just paste any video URL. Click once. And unleash endless streams of viral, global, hands-free income. Instantly translate and dub any video by pasting a URL from YouTube, Vimeo, X, TikTok, or any platform. Achieve perfect AI lip sync that flawlessly matches translated speech to the speaker's mouth movements. Eliminate the need for expensive studios, dubbing professionals, or complex editing software. Upload manually, paste a link, or import from social media for instant AI-powered localization. Maintain 4K Ultra HD quality in every translated and dubbed video without compression or loss. Keep or remove background music and sound effects while preserving natural clarity. Say goodbye to all the monthly payments forever. If you fail to grab Dubbify AI, your competition will, and they will crush you. Embed translated videos anywhere using a single line of code on websites, blogs, and funnels. No other apps, AI models, services, or subscriptions are needed. Dubbify AI is all that you need. Clone any speaker's voice with precise tone, pitch, and emotion to maintain human-like authenticity. Reach billions of global viewers without re-recording or hiring voice actors. Use any video online even if it's not yours to create multilingual versions for maximum reach. Sell AI-dubbed videos with Dubbify AI's built-in marketplace and keep 100% of the profits. Intuitive dashboard that will make dubbing videos a breath, 100% fail-proof. Translate into multiple languages with AI that understand context, accents, and cultural nuances. Doesn't matter what you are doing, Dubbify AI will transform your life. Detect multiple speakers in any video and dub each voice with unique, natural accuracy. Once we reach our limit, we will take Dubbify AI down. Free commercial license included with your copy, so you can enjoy all the profit with no worries. No experience, skills, or learning is needed. Dubbify AI works for anyone. No risk for you with our 30 days money-back guarantee. First 99 action takers get instant free access to Human AI Dubbify Agency. This will allow you to run a six-figures agency in seconds, worth $1,997.
So that's my honest review. I hope this helped you decide if it's the right fit for you. If you're ready to check it out for yourself, I've dropped the link in the description below, and yes, that link includes some special bonuses you won't find anywhere else. If you got value from this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.